Welcome to the Resto-rob channel. Today we're working on some battery pliers. One battery plier is a Bonney, the other one is a Bluebird. So please sit back and watch how I restore these two tools. Thank you.
This is how I found the pair of Bluebird pliers. We're going to take them over to the wire wheel. Now the fiber wheel. Now you can see me using my orbital sander with a multitude of different grits, starting with 100 and working my way all the way up to about 800 grit sandpaper. I'm using my orbital sander on both sets of pliers to clean up the metal. The Bonney pliers had quite a bit of weld splatter on them, and I'm hoping the orbital sander will knock a lot of that rough edges off the pliers. And we will end with the buffing wheel to clean up all the metal and polish it to a nice shine. This is what the Bluebird pliers look like before I started, and here is the after.
There you have it, another successful restoration. Hopefully you enjoyed my content, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.